girls, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect fishnet pantyhose, let me show you these ones here that have been working wonderful. I love these ones I got. These are the nude color. I really like that they are true to size. This is the small size, or the 1-2, which is for people that are 5'2" to 5'6" tall, between 100 and 135. I love these because if you look from close up, they are so well made. I love how this just gives that elegance to your leg whenever you're wearing a skirt or a dress. I also like that the material is super gentle on your skin. It stretches perfectly and it's high-waisted. I really like the elasticity it has on the waist. It makes it very comfortable. It's not very tight. It doesn't bother you at all. I really like how this company, Berkshire Trend, has also black pantyhose. I definitely need to get them. I just have the nude ones for now. I love everything about them. They give you this instant glam for your legs when you are wearing any outfit for any occasion. I would highly recommend these pantyhose, and that is my point of view.